Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI Generalist course series, and we are starting with AI tools now. Okay, we are starting with practical things. Okay, and today we are going to talk about Gamma AI tool. Okay, which helps us making very good presentation. So let me show you how to generate. We'll have 2-3 videos. Okay, so I'm just assuming that you have not used Gamma, and I'm trying to cover maximum contents. We will have 2 to 4 videos on Gamma, and I'll try to cover everything. All right. So I'll just go to Chrome, and let me just select Gamma website. So Gamma is a AI tool which is going to help you in presentations. So I'll just select Gamma website. Once I go to Gamma, compulsory you need to sign in. Okay, once you sign in, even if as a free user, this is my pro account, but as a free user you will get 400 credits. One PPT, 10 slides are allowed. Okay, in this Gamma. Okay, and from one account you can create around 10 PPTs because one slide, one PPT requires 40 credits, and Gamma gives you 400 credits. It's like that. So I'll just go to create new. See, once you sign in, no, you will get this option of create new. So once create new is done, then you need to just go to, now there are four options for you. One is your generate, one is your paste in text, one is your this thing create from template, and one is your import file or URL. So in generate, we are just going to give outline to Gamma what PPT we want, and Gamma will itself create. In paste in text, we are just giving the data about the slides. That slide one, you put this content, slide two, you put this content, and then Gamma will make out of it. Create from template is we are giving already one template and telling that put this content in that template. Okay, I have my own template. And then import file or URL is same, like you can just upload the file and Gamma will generate the content for you. In pro account you can generate any number of slides. It's just that in free account you can generate up to 10 slides. Okay, I will tell you trick also how to merge that. You can just keep on generating 10 slides and then you can merge that, don't worry. So I'll just go to generate. Now in generate, see here's something like this. So presentation we are going to generate today, and cards. See, cards means what? Slides. Okay, so cards I will make it 5 for now. I'll generate 5 slides and show you, because see it affects credits a bit. So 5 slides we will generate. Okay, we will just generate classic one, and default we want traditional. Traditional means our normal presentation. Tall means social media presentation. We'll go for traditional. Okay, language we want English. Okay, then suppose I just want topic is benefits benefits of reading books. Anything is fine, any topic you select, and then what you can do, you can just generate the outline. Okay, generate outline means it will tell you what content it is there. So see here. So see, here it has generated topic as transformative power of reading. Then it has generated a topic. Then content, generate the topic, content. So it seems good, right? Like lifelong advantage. And then once this is done, okay, what you need to do. So now there are options like minimal, concise, detailed, extensive. You can decide. Minimal means you want minimal content. Concise means not too much, not too less. Then detail is something like which is more than concise, and extensive is more than detail, like much data you want. Okay, so you can select whatever you want, and then see there are many themes here. Okay, moss and mist, and many other themes are there. I'll show you one second. So you can select whatever you want. Let me just this moss and mist is selected. You can, this is also good theme. Anything is fine. So yeah, this is black and white. Let moss and mist is something like this. So you can just select theme. Any theme you can select and then post that. You have many options. Okay, you have many options of how art style you want. I'll show you. So see this, there are many, the way images you want that you can select. Okay, so for our sake I'm just selecting 3D. Let us see how it generates 3D pics. Okay, we can anytime change the thing, don't worry. And then generate. So it's generating now. I'll make 2 to 4 videos on the same, don't worry. 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes I'll take each video. So see, it is generating the image basically. And don't worry, see, at one point of time, if you feel like this theme I'm not okay with, but I have already selected, will my credits be affected? No, don't worry. Once we change the theme, your credit will not be affected. You can, same content, you can change the theme. There is no credit loss. All right. So that's why I was telling I didn't select 10 slides that deliberately, because image generation also takes time, and 5 slides we are generating. Yeah. So we have selected 3D images. You can select anything you want. There are many options of images. So see, it is creating the images. See this 3D images it is creating. Don't worry. We can anytime change the images. These images are generated by AI. So even if we don't like, we can change it. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it will come. Last image will come. 1 second. Yeah. So it has come like this. Okay. This 3D images has come. Okay. I mean, it is generating. 1 second. Yeah. So it will come, don't worry. So once this is done, once this theme is maintained, see this, it has given 3D. See, you can change the image. So after this, suppose I am not happy with the theme, I'll say, what is this? Like, then in theme also I can change. So suppose I want to change the theme to shadow or something. So, see this. And any theme is fine. I'm just selecting this theme randomly. Okay. So see this. This looks much good, right? This looks much good. Now, yeah, this theme is comparatively good. Okay, it's nice. Now, suppose you will say that, ma'am, I am not okay with this. I am not happy with this diagram. Okay, so is it possible? I'll just select here, okay, and double click here. I'll double click on image, and if I don't want, I can just change the image from AI image to stock photos. I can select anything, and I can tell, let me just see. Yeah, so see. Here I have placed this image. See this. It looks much good, right? So you can place the diagram. There is no credit loss. You don't worry. So here you can, yeah, there may be some, credits for image. Okay. For changing the theme, it is not there. But yeah. Then again, you will say that, ma'am, what if I want to increase the text here? Okay. I want to increase the text here. I just want something else. First of all, you can change the text font. Okay, again here heading 4 and everything more you can put. Okay, if you're not okay. And again, one more thing I will tell you, that you can, suppose I want much content also. So what I can do is I can just select this part, and I can just go here, edit with agent, and I can select, yeah, 1 second, I'll just show you. Oh my god, sorry, it's by mistake I selected simplify language. No problem. So no worries. So here I'll select, yeah, read more, learn more. So no worries. So I'll just select this thing, and if I will write edit with agent, and I will just tell expand text. See, when I say expand text, no, it will generate more content. And here editing card feature is there. Okay. So it will generate more content. If you still feel like you want more content, so I can just select again. I'll just select this again, say, again I can say expand text. So it will generate more content. It's like that. So what I want to say you, that you can anytime generate more content. Now suppose you already have lot of content. Okay, so I'll show you. Suppose you already have lot of content. No, what you can do is, here let me see if I have. Okay, I'll show you in this only. So if you already have a lot of content, there is also the feature of visualizes text. Visualize this text feature comes into picture, where you want to convert the text into your this thing. You want to convert this text into diagrams. That diagram, it can be, then you can convert this text into diagram like arrow or anything. See this, you can convert anytime. What, see, I am not right now making best presentation. I am just showing you what options do you have. You can use from your requirements. I mean, okay. So, whatever your requirement is, then you can plan accordingly. So this part you can do. Okay. Similarly, now suppose this is a layout. Here, I want to show you option of changing the layout. Now they have represented it in this way. Okay. They have, I'll just, yeah. close it. And they have represented in this way. Okay, and let me just do one thing. Yeah, here there is an option of change layout. See, once the Gamma has generated something like this, there is an option of change layout. So I'll just change layout. It will show me options. See, this same thing can be written in many ways. So here, let me just see what options are available. So let me take this one. See, this one, anything is fine. You can select this one, or you can select this one second, you can select this one, like anything you can select. I'm just showing you that you have options of selecting different layouts. Okay, this you can plan. Okay, so you can just plan layouts, and then again, yeah, so this also looks good to me. So same thing here also, if you want, you can visualize the text. And one more thing I want to tell you here. So this you saw, you can change the layout, you can edit the image. Okay, whatever is there, you can visualize the text. Okay, that you saw. Now suppose I want to go to my website. Okay, suppose I want to go to my website when on first slide I want to show the users that this is my website. Okay, so what I can do is I can just either select here, go to search and select button. Okay, there are many options, but I'll show you here. I'll select button. Okay, now one button will come, and I'll just select here website. I'll write here website. Okay, once I write, I'll just write our website. Okay, and we have to give link. So website name is ravindrababuravula.in. So here, copy. Okay, and I will just paste the website. Okay, and you will click OK. And done. So here, whenever you try to present the website, I'm just showing you here. Suppose you're trying to present, okay, present on Gamma, see this, our website, then it will go to Ravindrababu Ravula's website. Okay, so here what I want to show you, show you that website thing works. Okay, then exit. I'll just click here, exit. Okay, then what more you can do is you can also add the slides. Okay, so here suppose I have this done, right? At the same time, suppose you want to add the slides, suppose I want to add the card. So there are two options, one is generate yourself and one is your AI will create. So here I go to generate. Okay, and generate, suppose I want to add benefits or reading, one second, I'll just, it came back, I'll just yeah, so reading book benefits, one second, I'll come down. Yeah, reading book benefits. Okay, and here I'll just come here. Okay, so let me come here. Yeah, so reading book benefits, and there is an slash button. After slash you can write anything you want. First of all, yeah, first of all, what I want to say you, that suppose I want to add bullet points or something, so you can just, after slash you can just say to-do list, anything is fine. To-do list, bullet points, I say walk, okay, dance, anything you can just, after slash many elements are available. Okay, that elements again, see here, suppose I reading book benefits, suppose I click here. Okay, and here also I can change the heading, I can make the changes. Okay, here, from here also I can make the changes, and same thing I can do from, so here I'll just show you heading. Okay, same thing I can do from here also. See this, title case, heading 1, heading 4, everything I can do from here also, here also. Okay, then bold and everything, then center align, everything also works here. Okay, center align, then your this part. Okay, and I'll just select heading 1 for now. Okay, fine. Now once you click slash, there are many other benefits. You can add any elements, you can explore much about it. Okay, warning box. Now see, warning box is also there. Warning box means if you want to add here anything, okay, you can add in this box. Again, if you want, success box is there. Success box is there. So I'll just show you slash. Again, we have to write slash and then success box. Success box. So it every box has different color. Okay, that you can add here. Okay, at the same time, suppose you want some table or something, or any diagram you want here. See this, I'll show you here. There are, first of all, image also, if you want, no, image also you can put here. Okay, any image you want you can put here. So I can just you can either upload the image or you can just tell. So here now, suppose describe your like girl reading book, girl reading book, something like that, any image I want. Okay, see, now generation takes 24 credit, but I'm just showing you that yes, because this is 3D, right? That's why according to that, that much credit is generated. That's why it is taking generation takes that much credit. It will make the image, don't worry. But I want to say you that you can also insert the image here. Again, layouts are there here, again smart diagrams are there. So I'll just show you here. See, whatever diagrams you select here, no, people, that data will be there by default. You can select the, whatever, see this. It has created so good, right? I mean, yeah. So here, what we can do is, if we want something like this, okay, you can just select anything out of it. Suppose there's a funnel, okay, funnel is there, 3D. So you can just edit the thing. You need to explore this thing and you need to edit. See this. Now, as per, our topic is nothing but, our topic is about reading books. So it has generated this diagram. Okay. So you can just edit, you can anytime edit the things. Okay. Then what I want to show you here is you can put chart, graphs, everything. So line chart and everything, you can explore that much. So if you want to put pie chart or something, you can put that. Okay. And you can edit the thing. Okay. So yes, then next video I will make on this videos and media and this part, but at least basics of gamma. Now what I want to say you, once this let me just delete this card. Okay, I'll delete this card. One second. Yeah. So here option is there to delete the card. Okay. So just basics, I want to tell you that you can add the button, you can just you can generate the, you can change the image, you can change the content, you can change the layout. Everything is possible. Okay, anytime you can change the theme. Okay, more I will tell you in next videos. But yes, once you are done, okay, once you are done, this seems to be good. Okay, so once you are done, no, what you can do is presentation. You first of all, I'll show you. See, presenting is like that, but best part of presenting I will tell you. See this, I'll show you here. Back. Okay, so see, this is our slide and there is an option called as spotlight. Spotlight means what? See here, once I select spotlight, no, at one time only one thing is visible. Getting? So here, see this spotlight, I come down. Now I just scroll down, I press down arrow key. See this, at one time only one thing is visible, so that I can just become like, my audience will be with me. See this is so good. I really like this feature. Okay, so spotlight thing also is there. Okay, while presenting, and I'll exit. I wanted to give you basic of gamma. Then one more thing, what is there, I'll tell you. That suppose text is, I'm not comfortable with text, it is small or big, something like that. So what we can do is, here there is an option called as, this thing, page setup. Okay, here also it, yeah. So in page setup, what you can do is you can just adjust the font size. Okay, either you can find page setup here, or else what you can do is you can just go to three dots over here and go to page setup here. Okay, and here there is a, see, small size, M size, large size font. You can select anything. Okay, I have selected M size. Okay, and then yeah, you can adjust the font. Okay, and yeah, this seems good to me. Then what I can do is, now go to the three dots and go to export. Okay, and export export to PDF, export to PowerPoint. Now best part is that, see, when we try to export to PowerPoint, no, it also gives us this thing that, if at all your PowerPoint doesn't support, anyway it supports Mona Science, it supports, but by any chance your PowerPoint doesn't support this font, make sure that you download this font and install in your PowerPoint. So this font also you can download, so that you can get the PPT as it is. Okay, and now what I will do, I'll just export to PDF and show you. One second. Yeah, it will come. So yeah, once this is ready, so yeah, and here, see this. Nice, right? So, anytime I can click here and allow, and Ravi sir's website will come, right? Then again, see this, Good, right? This is nice. This is also nice. You can change the diagram if required. See this. This is also nice. And yeah, this is it. So we'll have much, one second. We'll have much video about the same thing. But yeah, all I want to say you, I hope you got the basics of gamma, right? So thank you. I'll see you in next video. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye.